In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing on Wix. Adjusting line spacing can significantly impact the readability and aesthetic appeal of your website's text. So let's walk through the process to make your content shine. First, you'll want to access the Wix website editor. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account and select the site you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your website's layout where you can make various adjustments to the design, including editing text, which is what we're focusing on today. Next, identify the text you want to change the line spacing for. This could be a paragraph, a heading, or any text box on your site. Simply click on the text area, and you'll see a small context menu pop up. The key here is to ensure that you've selected the exact text element you wish to modify, as this is what will be affected when we adjust the line spacing. After selecting your text, look for the option that says Edit Text. By clicking on it, you open a sidebar with numerous text formatting options. Here is where you can make your textual changes and enhance how your text is displayed to your audience. Once you have the Edit Text sidebar open, your next step is to find the option labeled Character and Line Spacing. This feature allows you to control the space between lines to either tighten them up or give them more room to breathe. Clicking on this option brings up a slider or a set of values that you can adjust. Take your time to experiment with these settings to see how they affect your text presentation. Another aspect you might want to look at while you're in this section is highlighting. Click on the highlight option if you want to make your selected text stand out more prominently. This can be particularly useful for emphasizing important information or when you want certain lines or paragraphs to catch the reader's eye. Experimenting with highlighting can add an extra layer of depth to your presentation, making your web page more engaging. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to changing line spacing on Wix. By following these steps, you can ensure that the text on your website is not only attractive but also easy to read. Remember, good text formatting can greatly enhance user experience, keeping your audience engaged and encouraging them to explore more of your site. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to continue improving your site's design and functionality.